Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg sandwich Pinoy style. First, gather your ingredients: 2 hard-boiled eggs, about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and a dash of salt and pepper. You'll also need 2 slices of soft white bread, which is typical for this recipe. Make sure you have a fork and a small bowl handy for mixing everything together smoothly. This simple approach ensures a delicious and authentic taste. Now let's prepare the egg mixture. Start by peeling your hard-boiled eggs and placing them in the small bowl. Use your fork to mash them finely. A smooth texture is key here. Next, add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to the mashed eggs. Season with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to taste. Mix everything together until it's creamy and perfectly combined, ready for your bread. With your delicious egg spread ready, it's time to assemble your sandwich. Take 1 slice of your soft white bread and generously spread the creamy egg mixture from edge to edge. Ensure an even layer for a balanced bite. Then, carefully place the second slice of bread on top, completing your sandwich. Gently press down to help the filling settle. You can also trim the crusts for a cleaner look if that's your preference. Your Pinoy-style egg sandwich is now complete and ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately while the bread is fresh and soft. This simple yet satisfying treat pairs wonderfully with a hot cup of coffee or your favorite cold drink. It's perfect for a quick breakfast, a delightful afternoon snack, or even a light lunch. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other deals. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.